space to explore. If I would be a chick, this would be a nightmare. Bats flying around your face all the time. Jesus, I'm pretty sure it's not. Yeah, guys, my camera keeps saying I don't want to film anymore, but I'm not as scared as the camera. Okay, we're reaching some other fallout of the sand. Wow, dead mycelium roots. Wow, that's so fucking cool. That's so fucking cool. That's not normal roots. That's dead mycelium from the mushrooms. Okay, that's ominous. Okay. Look at those. What the fuck is that? Jesus. Okay. Did you see? I'm not sure if you... Let's see if you can see one bat sleeping or something like that. Of course, they're nocturnal, so probably we're not gonna see them. But that would be probably the place. No, none. They are hiding from me. Good boys. Because humans are annoying. I just heard a high-pitched noise. It might be... Okay. There's no way of going either side without digging. And I'm not gonna do that. I'm here to explore, not to be a cunt. Okay. Probably I'm just gonna go sit down. Yeah, my phone is dying. I need to put it on a charger. There's almost no moving air, so it's really kinda spooky. Water going back as quiet as possible. There's some... Sometimes you can hear them squeal. The bats. They make like this really weird noise. Something like that. And that same noise makes me getting spooked. Okay. Bats keep flying around me, checking me out. I'm not hot. Okay, boys and girls. Let's go back. Nothing reliable. Okay, anyways. Jesus. Okay. Okay, now a long way back. Okay. Look at those. It's like at least this big space will have enough oxygen. So, okay, bats again. Bats. Look at those. Definitely doesn't seem like dangerous or anything like that. Okay. Okay. Thank God there's nothing spooky like a ghost or something. Okay. Since I said that, weird splashing noises started to appear behind me, which is kinda not cool. But this place is really cool. I mean, if you would spend too much time, you would probably get injured. looks like I'll be alright. And then shit starts happening. I hope it won't. The first blow off. Sounds like a jack off. You see, there's a stalagmite forming. Kinda cool, isn't it? Fucking it is. Jesus. Okay. Let's go. I can already start. I'm starting to hear the trains. That's, for once, really nice sound to my ears at the moment. I don't know, how would you feel in here? Because there's every person different. Okay, can see the exit. Alright, my selenium again, like always. That's cool. Bye bye, nice tunnel. You see, there's some condensation on my lens, just because inside it's really cold compared to outside since it's summer. Okay guys, so I'll need to text my parents and I'm alive, and then I'll think how to get back. Okay, see you in a bed, boys and girls.